Hi there, and you're very welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing well, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you can, please, for more of these tutorials that I can put out when I have time. Today I'm going to speak about a new site, a new freelancing site. Well, it's been on the go for a couple of years. Only recently have they started, has it started attracting voice actors and voice artists, and it could be a big one for the future, definitely. So could be a good time to get in. I've just joined it recently myself, so it could be a good time to get in and get your voiceover demos up and your information up, and yeah, and make you some money. Okay, so the site is called legit.com. Legit. Now it's Legit, so two I's, t.com. I'm going to run through it with you quickly now, so bear with me. Okay, here we go. Right, here we are. We're on legit.com. So what you will do is you'll fill out all the details in your profile, like your name and your email address, and you'll verify yourself, as in a lot of these sites, your profile picture. And when that's all done, you'll need to advertise a service. Now, they're called services on Legit. So I'm going to go right over there now, just once again to show you how I got there. You go to menu and just scroll over to services. Now, as you can see, whenever I'm doing this, my internet's quite slow. As you can see, I've already got some up there already. So I'm going to go to create a new service. And that will also be an option. If you don't have any up there, you'll still see this when you scroll across the services, create new service. So create new service. It's quite slow. So today I'm going to go for an Australian voiceover, mate. That's what I'm going to do, right? So Australian male voiceover. So I'm going to record. It's spelled wrong. Record up to 100 words in a HQ, a US to Australian male voiceover. Okay, so the category, audio and music. You can actually put exclamation mark here. The subcategory, voiceovers. Your service subtitle, basically just putting the description in of what you're about to provide. So yeah, I will voice up to 100 words in an accent. Okay, that should do. Right, so we'll just ignore these things here and save and continue on to the next phase. So revisions, I'll say 1. Describe the details of your offering. 100 words in Australian accent, mate. By the way, I can do an Australian accent pretty good. I was out with me Sheila, hunting crocs and drinking stubbies, mate. So that's why I'm advertising today. 100 words in an Australian accent. Delivery days, I'll put 2. Okay, revisions 1. It's funny how it's asked for revisions up here. And I'll put delivered, hold on, in a HQ WAV or WAVE file. Okay, so 1 for revisions. I've just basically put my description in there. Delivery days 2. You can put 1 if you want. And the price for 100 words, I'll say, because I'm starting off, I'll put $15. Okay. To gain me some reviews. That's what I'm after. Now, this is really important. Okay. So add extras. Extras are really important. First thing I'm going to put in is commercial rights. Description needed for online use. I'm going to put required for online use. Delivery days, obviously, yeah, 1. The price, I'll put $25 for commercial rights. Add. Next, I'm going to put in broadcasting rights. Required for paid online adverts, radio or TV use. Okay. Delivery days 1. Price, I'll put $55 for broadcasting rights. Add. There we go. Okay, and then I'll also put in an extra fast delivery. So description delivers in 24 hours. Delivery days 1 and $25 for that as well. Add in, so commercial rights, broadcasting rights, and an extra fast delivery service, because my delivery days are 2. If you want it faster, yeah, they can pay $25, and most clients actually will if they need it. So here we go. We'll save this. So now legit, like a lot of sites recently that I've used, they don't allow you to upload an MP3 or a WAV file as your audio demo. So what I always do in a lot of these situations is put my demos on YouTube, and I'm just going to go and grab one now, which I've previously made. Here we are. Copy the URL. Okay, just make sure it's all right. Excuse me.
And with all these fresh, wonderful ingredients, you can see we have everything we need.
Right, so that's my Australian demo. That's copied. And we're back to legit. I'll stick it in here. Right, now the title, Australian Mail voiceover. Okay. 100 words in a Australian accent. Oh, I spelled Australian wrong. That's right. So now I've to save you guys time and to save me time as well, I've already put hold on, bear with me. There we go. I just need to copy this, my description, and I'll just paste it in here. There we go. Okay. So what I need to do now is include some tags and some keywords. So tags are important because if people are searching for a voiceover, Australian voiceover, this is how they'll find you. Of course, the title will help, but also you want to put in what you're going to do it for. Is it narration? Is it commercials, etc.? So Australian Mail, put in Australian accent. Voiceover, voice artist. Yeah, commercial. narration should be okay. Right, so I should do the same here. Australian voiceover, male voiceover, male voice actor, video games, audio books. That should cover a lot. That's covered basically the Australian accent, Australian male, commercials, narrations, video games, audio books. I'll put in podcasts as well, just in case. Okay. All right. So that should be good to go. Save and continue. And next, so this are the requirements. So it is required. And you've got obviously put in something here. So here we go. So I will put in first. All right. So send me a script and tell me exactly what you need. Okay. Send me a script and tell me exactly what you need to avoid any confusion in case they send a script and then, you know, they expect you to know automatically what to do and what style and what tone they want it in, angry or fast or slow. You know, these things can be annoying. And then, of course, revisions are needed and they'll, you know, have to buy more revisions. So there are a couple of more things you can put in. You can ask if you like, please check if you need the rights or, you know, these kind of things, but make sure and click is required. That way that the client has to answer the question, has to answer basically the requirement. So save and continue. Next up, we are at the gallery. So upload. I'm hoping I can upload a picture here because, yeah, I've created one earlier on and I hope this is quite difficult actually. We're legit. Maximum file size, as you can see, is 500 KB. So, you know, a lot of the other sites, they don't really care. There's no maximum size, so you can just basically, you know, put whatever picture you want, whatever size. So, I did create one earlier on to save you and me time. So I'm hoping it works. Here we go. Downloads, top of the list. Legit Australia. Okay. It has worked. If it won't work and your file, if your picture is too big, they'll tell you and they won't allow you to put it in. So there it is, Australian male voiceover. My delivery, I put 24 hours actually. I'll have to change that later on, but it is possible for a 24-hour delivery if they pay more. PDFs, you can add in a video if you want here. Of course, you know, 10 meg is, yeah, it's not the biggest. Facebook image, yeah, I mean, I just choose to leave this one. That's what people will see. So save and continue. FAQs, always important. Okay. Add new FAQ. Here's the question. How fast can you deliver my order? Okay. I normally deliver in 48 hours, but I offer a 24-hour fast service. Okay, add the FAQ. It's once again slow when I'm doing this, but one more I always like to do is if it works. Okay. Yeah, you can do that. You can put in if you do more voices and more accents, or you know, more obviously character voices or whatever. Just you can do that yourselves by putting it in. I'm going to put in, can you voice in other accents? In different accents. So, yes, I can. Please check my profile. To see my range, okay? Bit slow, but we're getting there. Okay, and that's pretty much everything for legit. Okay, so publish and hope for the best. Yep, there we go. It's pending admin approval. As you can see, there's my package name, which I need to actually change to Australian voiceover. Delivery 2 days, price $15. So the mistake I've made there, actually, just don't make this mistake. The package name, I put 1 instead of the, just bear with me, I'll go back and fix that now so you don't make the same mistake. I am newish to legit. So description. Requirements. Overview, where is this? Where was the package name? Here we go. Okay. So let's copy that. Put that in here. And there we go. Okay. Save and continue. Publish. Okay, there we go. So the package name is now 100 words in an Australian accent, delivered in a HQ WAV file. Record up to 100 words in a HQ Australian male voiceover. So that basically is that, folks. It won't take long. It's pending admin approval. They will basically approve it in less than an hour or so, unless there's something that they don't like. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. And like I said, it's a newer freelance site, and more importantly, it's free. It's free to join, so free to put your demos up there, and it could really grow. You never know. And at the minute, it's smaller for voice actors, but it's got huge potential, and there's a good possibility that will grow. And it's good to get in early and get in at the start to give yourself the best possible chance to be successful. And once you get the first gig in, you know, you'll build up your reviews. Now, bear in mind, I put $15 in for that. There's a good chance that if there's nothing happening in a few weeks or a month or two, I will drop the price a little bit, maybe to $10 perhaps for 100 words, and to then hopefully generate some work and some reviews. And yeah, and I hope that you do the same. Any questions at all, as always, put them in the comment section. I will do my absolute best to answer them. And I wish you all the best of luck. And as always, happy voiceover. Hey, you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. If you're looking for a voice actor, you came to the right place, my friend. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, you're going to end up with the Gambino crew and sleeping with the fishes. Capiche?